Hello, it's Tony here from TecARVR. AI is evolving fast. But is ChatGPT the most powerful AI today? With millions of users and constant upgrades, it's changing how we work, learn, and create. In today's video, we're diving into 10 mind-blowing facts about ChatGPT that you probably didn't know. Make sure to stick around for number 10s because it's the craziest one. Fact 1. Did you know that ChatGPT became the fastest-growing consumer app of all time? It hit 1 million users in just 5 days after launching in November 2022. That's faster than Instagram, 2.5 months, Facebook, 10 months, and even TikTok, 9 months. But why did it explode in popularity? The answer is simple. ChatGPT gave everyone access to a powerful AI assistant that could write, solve problems, and even create code in seconds. Fast forward to today, ChatGPT has over 180 million active users and counting. It's safe to say that AI is here to stay. Fact 2. ChatGPT can understand and speak over 95 languages. Imagine having an AI assistant that speaks nearly every language on Earth. ChatGPT supports English, Hindi, Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, French, Arabic, and many more. But it doesn't just translate. It can understand cultural nuances, slang, and even regional dialects to give more natural responses. This is why people from different countries use ChatGPT for writing emails, learning languages, and even translating conversations on the go. 3. ChatGPT is trained on over 1 trillion words. How does ChatGPT know so much? The answer? Massive data training. ChatGPT has been trained on books, articles, research papers, coding repositories, Wikipedia, and more, totaling over 1 trillion words. To put that in perspective, if you read one book per day for 100 years, you would only process about 36,500 books. ChatGPT has read millions of times more than that. But it's not just about reading. The AI analyzes patterns in human language to predict responses, improve grammar, and even mimic different writing styles. Fact 4. ChatGPT can code in over 20 programming languages. Think AI is just for writing text? Think again. ChatGPT can write and debug code in Python, JavaScript, C++, HTML, SQL, and many more. In fact, developers are using ChatGPT to fix bugs in their code in seconds, generate entire scripts for automation, learn new programming languages faster. Some people even built websites and apps entirely using AI-generated code. Could this mean AI will replace programmers in the future? Let me know in the comments. 5. Is ChatGPT the best AI platform? OpenAI's ChatGPT competes with Google Gemini, Claude AI, Microsoft Copilot, and DeepSeek AI. But with its powerful updates, many say it's leading the AI revolution. What do you think? 6. Businesses are making millions with ChatGPT. Companies are using ChatGPT for customer service, content writing, automation, and marketing, saving thousands of hours of work. Some businesses even built AI-powered websites and charge clients for AI-generated reports, resumes, or blog articles. A recent report says AI-driven businesses will be worth $15.7 trillion by 2030. That's more than the entire economy of India and Germany combined. 7. With OpenAI's new model, ChatGPT can generate AI images and even videos. Before, AI was just about text, but now it's entering the world of visual creativity. This raises the question, will AI replace human artists and designers? 8. ChatGPT can now remember conversations. A major new feature in 2024, ChatGPT now has memory. Before, every time you chatted with ChatGPT, it forgot everything once you started a new conversation. But now, it can remember things about you, your preferences, and past discussions to make responses more personalized. Imagine having an AI assistant that remembers your name, your interests, and even your work tasks. This could be the start of truly personalized AI companions. Fact 9. Schools and governments are trying to ban ChatGPT. Not everyone is excited about AI. In fact, some schools, universities, and even entire countries have banned ChatGPT. Why? Because students were using AI to write essays, complete homework, and even pass exams. Some universities are now using AI detection tools to catch AI-written assignments. Governments are also worried about AI-generated fake news, deepfakes, and privacy issues. Do you think ChatGPT should be banned, or should we embrace AI in education? 10. The future of ChatGPT is even more astonishing. ChatGPT could become a digital human? OpenAI is working on making ChatGPT more human-like with AI voices that sounds exactly like a real person. ChatGPT AI avatars with a digital face and expressions. And emotional AI that detects and responds to your mood. We might be just a few years away from AI assistants that feel like real humans. Could we see AI teachers, AI doctors, or even AI friends? The future is wild. So is ChatGPT the #1 AI platform in the world? Or will another AI take the lead? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content from TecARVR.